Welcome to a vibrant jungle morning. Ellie's cooking up pancakes, and Leo's getting ready for the big picnic. Can you feel the excitement? Join Ellie, Leo, and Tiny as they stroll through the jungle, ready for a fabulous picnic filled with fun and surprises. Let's go! Here's the perfect picnic spot, where laughter fills the air and friendship shines bright. What delicious goodies will they share? Everyone's having a blast. But wait, look at those monkeys. They seem a bit shy. Should we invite them to join the fun? Ellie knows the secret to the best parties: make everyone feel welcome. And Leo is about to crank up the fun with pineapple bowling. With smiles all around, the monkeys jump in. There's plenty of jungle berry pie to go around. Let's eat and celebrate together. As the sun sets beautifully, our friends reflect on an unforgettable day filled with laughter, games, and delicious treats. Tiny exclaims, "This was the best picnic ever." And Ellie reminds everyone that sharing makes every moment more special. Isn't that true? With smiles on their faces, they laugh and recount the fun they've shared. Because the best memories are created together. So remember, in the jungle town, it's all about sharing and caring. Join in the fun and make every gathering a